Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back again with another vlog. I decided to start the vlog here not because I have something to do but because I look cute. I'm just coming from work and I felt I looked cute, so I picked up the camera. Is that a crime?
That's a crime?
Is that a crime? No, it's not. So it's Tuesday and this week I saw that Cafe Blue, there's so many cafes, sometimes I get a little bit mixed up, but I saw that Cafe Blue bring back them chairman eggnog and I am gonna try it out. This is gonna be my first time trying it. Last year when there was this big craze over it, I never got around to trying it, so this year I'm gonna try it. Also, when is this vlog gonna be posted? It's gonna be posted on December 1st. Yeah. Stranger Things comes out tomorrow. Stranger Things comes out tomorrow. And then we're gonna do a little bit of baking. Everybody was like, we wanna see some baking. We're gonna do some baking. So you're in for it. You're in for a treat, if I do say so myself. Yeah, we're just gonna be doing some more Christmas activities in this vlog. So stay tuned. I'm excited. My face is so cute. I like it. I like this little. What I did, because what I used to always do is when I put on my highlight, I put it in a triangular shape. Like I blend it and it leaves a triangular shape. So today I realized it was a little bit too harsh and I just went in with my face powder and I did that. So it looked a little bit more circular now and I like it. I like it. I think I look like the TikTok girls. I also, my hair won't wash. My hair really needs to wash. I really need to get rid of this hairstyle. So yeah, I need back my curls. I'm ready for my curls. So yeah. Oh, what I was supposed to say is last vlog I went to Cafe Dolce. I went to the one up by Progressive today and they were kind of rude, but anyways, yeah, I went to Cafe Dolce and I tried the Blueforia and I was supposed to add that clip into the last vlog and I forgot. So here's that clip. So I made sure I take a smoothie. Let's see. You would like this. This is nice. It's nice? I don't taste any dairy in there either. Yeah. It tastes good. I like it. I think I would try it again with the banana to compare which I like more. But yeah, we're gonna try I think I'm gonna go tomorrow and we're gonna try the chairman's eggnog. I think there's alcohol in there though, so yeah. But yeah. This is me before watching Stranger Things season 5. It's 2 hours away or 1 hour and like 20 minutes away. And I'm a little bit scared. I'm not gonna lie, like me I rewatched some clips from season 4 and yeah, what a catcheritis on my eye. We're getting 4 episodes. We're getting 4 episodes I think today. Yeah, 4, 3, and then 1. I'm not ready, but I'm so ready. I'm not ready to cry, but I'm so ready. So let's just see how it's gonna go. This is me before watching Stranger Things season 5. Wait! What is that? Let's see what that says. That says season 5. Come over, come over, come over. Oh my god, guys, it's happening. It's happening.
Oh god. Oh god, him killer. Oh god. Oh. This is so sad. Should make him get away. Run to the moon.
God, no him that a come. Guys, can we talk about that Stranger Things kickoff last night? The initial 4 episodes. I wanna say, like, I was a mess. I was all over the place. I moved from shock to tears to shock to no to it was truly a cinematic masterpiece. If you not see my lip them dry, I'm gonna put on my lip balm yet. Don't mind that. I'm gonna like put it on before I do my hair because my hair is sticking there. But yeah, it was the textbook definition of a cinematic masterpiece. And then I go on TikTok and people are like, oh, it was boring, blah, blah, blah. Like, what do you want? What do you want? And it's the same thing I experienced with Wicked when I watched the second part. Some kids were behind me. Granted, their kids are like, oh, this is boring. The show not even start 5 minutes yet. They have to stimulate us first. So ease we make we have to remember what go on. No, when I pick up on the people that I put down, oh my god, I cannot wait. And then I have to wait until Christmas Day to see the next tree, and then New Year's Day to see the last one. I can't, and I don't have anybody to talk about it with other than mommy because Swan start watch it late, so she only watch 1 episode so far. I'm nervous because something that someone was always showing is gonna manifest in a different way. I'm just afraid to say the way we're gonna manifest. Boy, I'm sat. See it. See me here? See the seat here? See me here? Sat. What? Goodness. What time is it? Today is Thursday. I think I want to go ahead and try the chairman's eggnog today. I'm gonna make a try that from about Monday or Tuesday. I know I can't reach. But honestly, I don't even know if I reach today. Boy, I'm not telling a lie though. I know my Instagram, the people on my Instagram are supposed to sick and tired of me, but guys, I saw it go. I'm sorry. I saw it go when you really love something and you're passionate about it, because I can't shut up. I literally cannot shut up about Stranger Things right now. It's too good. What you mean? Duffer Brothers, when them done, them need to come and make me buy them one cool beer. One cool beer. Them deserve it, man. Them deserve it. For that little part they alone, I'm say them deserve one beer. Them trying to bother make me ball too hard down to the end because I can't manage. But 10 out of 10.
Fucking drivers who have a lot of trolley.
Okay, so I'm trying the chairman's eggnog today. As I just said, I'm actually gonna just head out and try it and give you guys my reaction. We're also gonna be baking. I know I said that in the beginning, but we're actually going to be baking today, I think, or tomorrow. I'm going to buy the stuff. I'm going to make a cheesecake cupcake, and I'm going to be making a cocktail. So really excited about that. Kinda, because whenever I bake, it's always very chaotic. So yeah, let's go try this chairman's eggnog and see if it's as good as everybody says it is. And also, guys, sometimes they say I'm too hard to please or whatever. It's just I think sometimes what people hype up I find very underwhelming. For the hype that it gets, I expect it to be exceptional. And so when you raise my expectation and I go and I try it and it's not as good as you say it is, I'm just gonna tell the truth. That's it. I'm not trying to be picky. I'm not trying to be hard, because I'm not that hard to please. But I just tell the truth. So yeah. Honestly, I requested a refund. I sat in there for basically 40 minutes waiting on this drink. I watch people come in and out and get them order. I went up there and I asked them, you know, is my order ready? Oh, she's gonna make it now. Not gonna lie, the cashier was really nice about it. I think she's the one that eventually went and made it when I asked for the refund. But like, I not understand. But anyways, we have secured the drink. Oh, I thought I was supposed to drink from this. What is this? Or should I push a straw through? Listen, get my picture ready. Let me just discard of that really quickly. Okay. I told them to add alcohol to it, so there's that. First sip. It's eggnog. Not tasting the alcohol. It's good, but it's just eggnog. Sorry to disappoint. I thought it was gonna be like much thicker. There is this eggnog that Borden makes. They sell it in I don't know if it's sold here, but they have it in bottles. It's thick, and I think I was expecting it to be as thick as that. For 40 minutes wait, it's okay. It's whatever. Out of 10, I get like a 6.5, honestly. I'm gonna put up them Christmas trees. Oh, so cute. As you know, well, I regular monthly grocery shopping early, but I also buy my stuff because mommy, I'm making cheesecake cupcake.
Cheesecake?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm excited. Can't record? Yeah, supermarket security fighting out as me walk in. Oh, me can't record in here right now. And me, I don't believe in like arguing with them because things happen sometimes and I didn't say man have to help you out. So I'm not argue with security personnel at all unless they might be really disrespectful. Something's alright, I'll put it on camera. The only thing I didn't get was the eggs, but mommy have something for this, so I'll just drop her off and then I'll go on a mission for eggs. Hopefully when I find it, it's not too expensive because many people are saying it's like $2.5 for a carton of egg. So let's see.
So what an egg?
A carton? No carton? A crate?
Flat?
I don't know. Wait, milk come in a carton? What come in a carton? What come in a carton? May I go Google it? I'm Rachel.
Okay then.
Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, me tell you now. Once you see me here, you know what time it is. We have another package from LUVME here. Boop, 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 boop. Big dance. Ready. So let me show you guys what's in the box. We have a bag for storage. We have an adjustable strap. We have an extra long bonnet and it's satin. Guys, love this. We also have a label for storage. You know, it makes storing wigs easier. We have some lace tapes and of course we have the star of the show. So this week we have a PartingMax Glueless wig. It is 180% density, loose body wave, ready to go, 7x6 closure, HD lace, pre-cut and plucked and bleach. All the work is done for you. As you can see, we have some adjustable straps here in the back with 2 drawstrings and it is pre-styled, so it's a quick bam bam put on and go. And as you can see, it's easy as 1 2 3. You draw it over your head, you place it where you want it, and that's you, because this wig is forever gonna be seamless. LUVME has the best glueless wigs, hands down. So you know me, I like my wigs to lay a little bit flat, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that little extra pizzazz and then come back with the finished look.
I said I'm shy, baby, and ain't doing a lot. I'm trying to do more than bust down your wide. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Say it don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Thought my ex bitch was bad, but you found out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in that building. Somebody who feel me in the feeling. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh yeah, I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. Yeah.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mud. She said, take your time, what's the rush?
So this is what it's looking like. I just went ahead and combed through the curls a bit, as you see, and this is how it's looking. I am in love. I love that everything is already done for you. It's glueless and pre-styled. I think this is a unit worth having. And you guys know Black Friday is Black Friday is already passed, but Cyber Monday is here. So you can go ahead and cop this for yourself or for someone's Christmas gift. You know, sharing is caring. So if you guys are interested in that, the links will be down below in my description box. Just go ahead and check them out right down there. Yeah, and that's it for this portion of the vlog. Thanks to LUVME for sponsoring this portion of the vlog, and let's enjoy the rest of it. Let's go. Alright guys, so it is Friday night. I was supposed to bake. I know that I was supposed to bake, but honestly I'm not feel the vibes. Mommy used the oven since night, make chicken, and I was gonna do it at the same time when she had made the chicken because it's just easy and but at the same time, I don't know if you don't understand that sometimes when somebody in the kitchen, them don't like other people in them space, and similar to me, I don't like, I wouldn't want me to be doing something in the oven and then mommy has something to do, because then the space can get so crowded and it's just like, so I didn't bake the cupcakes today, but I'm going to do it tomorrow. Let the oven cool off, make sure it's, you go again tomorrow. But I'm gonna make the drink, the Christmas cocktail. So this cocktail that I'm making is called Jack Frost, like its official name is Jack Frost. I brought all my ingredients. And let me just take out the glass. This is the exact glass that you can do it in. And tiki-taki. So I'm gonna wash this out and then I'm gonna get the stuff ready and show y'all a cocktail that you guys can make on Christmas Day. Speed up the process, I'm just gonna crush the ice in our bag. Because I'm putting it in the NutriBullet. I'm gonna want it like, you know, come out choppy and chunky. So I'm just gonna mash it first so that when I put it in there, I can just smooth it out. Guys, I'm sweating some record, I'm never a record. So what was I saying? The recipe calls for ice. I'm gonna mash it out with it and don't judge me. But yeah, the recipe calls for ice, coconut rum, pineapple juice, cream of coconut, and blue curacao. It looks just like the tiki-toki. It looks just like the tick-tock. Hey, you can't tell me so I can't do nothing in this life, you know. You can't tell me. You take a look out. I fail a couple times, but then I come back. Frosty. You see that? Alright. I go sugar or salt the rim at the glass and come back. I'm not showing that. Come on, make it tip. And now we pour. Is she pretty? Alright, moment of truth. If you're not hear that at the machine, taste this. Somebody said me go ooh. What is this?
That's beautiful.
It's
wow, beautiful.
it's called Frosty.
Frosty.
Just drink from here so without the salt, because the salt kind of when you taste
salty,
it.
salty. Yeah.
It tastes good,
Nice.
don't it?
Put it in something more.
Mommy approved.
Yeah, it's looking beautiful.
Honestly,
and it also tastes nice.
it tastes really good.
Yeah.
Something for to make for the Christmas dinner.
Yeah.
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 Me I circle in the back tomorrow now with the cheesecake cupcake them and hopefully that's
They're on the go.
right.
Right. It's so nice. But it's a punch.
Yeah, it's strong.
Soccer, yeah.
It's strong, man. But it tastes like sweetie at the same time.
Yeah.
Just so I know, so I know one hit wonder. I replicated it. This is for me because I gave the original one to mommy, so gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna put it in the fridge though, because I have to clean up back there. Yeah, the Frosty. No, but look how long me at this. Hey, me make sure about 5 days now me ring it in the ears. Mom me gonna make cheesecake cupcake. Mom me gonna make cheesecake cupcake. What me gonna use make it me foot? You can't believe say mommy just gonna tell me say. Just the hand mixer mash up.
Yeah, but we're down to buy a hand mixer. But you see, because my time and her time and two different timing, may I check so I have like 1 week and left.
Me ask mommy what day. Mommy, you're gonna make fruit cake this year? Mommy say yes. And mommy wouldn't even did say. But you know, so we need one new hand mixer because the last one did mash up. So tonight, me forgot ring out my another socket for mix out cheesecake batter. And then she asked about if place that. Oh no, no, want to see traffic out the road, you know. But look up on a recipe and see how serious it is. Because I swear to no. Mommy say the mixer mash up. What you mean, Lucia?
One up. You have to trade to a class.
At the first me I hear this, you know?
Yeah, one up for real.
Hey, on the ear, yeah, but not for you. I should put her out. What you mean?
Yeah,
How to make mini cheesecake. Alright guys, I'm not go crucify her. I'm not go nail her to the cross. Stop it for me. Because you still deserve one cousin. But I'm not gonna cuss her because it don't look too hard. It don't look too hard. Whereas I come and make the cream cheese as soft, so it not for be too hard for mix out. Hopefully. But what I have to do better as a big woman.
I'm getting older.
No, I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that.
I remember everything off the batter.
I never even know say sitting in my shop in the first place. Oh, I know if nobody don't tell me. You never met no cake last year, so I don't know what it would have mash up. Remember say never met no Christmas cake last year?
Yes, I did. You were here?
Oh.
Oh,
yes, I mash up when I never there. You never tell me. Right, so you mash up the mixer when I never there and you never tell me. We could get into this cake making, cupcake making.
And I must one. When I met Lisa, say I make Lisa a portion of it. And Lisa said, no, sister. And she gave me a piece of fare when I should buy and it not come up too much. Are we on this one meal? Okay.
Bo.
You're okay.
Back again in the kitchen. It is Saturday, day 2. So, we're finally going to attempt, operative word here, attempt to make these cheesecake cupcakes. If you look behind me right there, I have everything laid out. So the first thing I'm going to try and do is the crust, which I bought the graham crackers, I don't know. Have this, them say supposed to blend it up, add a little bit of melted butter and then put it in the oven first and then take it up. I'm gonna do that first. And then I'm gonna mix up my hand because the lady never tell me say the mixer mash up. So let's get started. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer. Got my foot. See how much step that? It's not gonna work. It's gonna come. And that good. Oh, that's not good. Oh no, alright this. Alright, so I have 3 of these. So I'm thinking to just do like 1.5. I'm not gonna eat this one. Like for a regular day, I'm not think I'm gonna eat this. So let us see. You have 3 of this in the box. I'm thinking just blend one because, as I said, I'm not eating this. I'm not making like that amount. Is her card? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna work with this. So we can just put. Oh, we can't put in Nutri. Can I put in Nutri-Bullet? I can't break it up and show it in Nutri-Bullet. Can't be can, but I will forget wash out no blender right now. Honestly and truly. Let's see how best we can make this work. Fun fact, I love cheesecake, but this is my least favorite part about cheesecake. I wonder if this will work. Maybe try it out and see.
Cut the show.
Certain things are just for my life. Let me get to the bottom of this. I'm gonna do half in this teacup and melt it in the microwave. The microwave. Them say you have to mix it until it look like sand. In my opinion, it already look like sand, so I don't know how much more sandy it must look. After this, it's not giving pay. I'm guessing I mean like mix it till it look like one piece. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna line our cupcake tins and then put the graham cracker in there and then figure out the oven, and then we're on our way. We're almost there. We're like hot quarter. I don't know. Yeah. Starting time quick. So 8:36. It's currently 8:30. I put them in at 8:30, so 8:36 and take it out. It smells so good in here. I touched it. Oh crap. Ooh. Well, my finger is tap bone off. I touch it. Me like a damn bathroom. I'm gonna touch it as soon as it come out of the way. No sense. Alright, so time for the serious part of the dance. Cream cheese. Room temp. Add it to your bowl. So this is why I said the mixer probably not gonna be the end of the world because these are already soft. So just plop that in there. This look like me I make way more than for just them two sitting there already. Do I need both? I don't think I need the two. I wish you could have talked to me right now. Yeah, I don't need the two of them. Alright, get a good mix for the two of them here by themselves first, and then, and if I not use the right utensil, I not bake. I never tell nobody say me is a bake kiss. So there is that. So now we're gonna add a half cup of granulated sugar. And but I'm not gonna do like how my them do with them tip a little bit and a tip a little bit every day. Then say half cup go in there. Throw that in there. Nice and generous. How much is it? 2 tablespoons or 1? Of the vanilla. I think she said 2. Right. Two eggs, but I just add one first and then the other one after. I just get a mixer going on this first. And I see? Cheesecake cupcake. That is how my batter is looking. So I just like scoop it up, put it in these. Get the mirror cool off and cross the finger and hope for the best. How they're looking. They rose, but because I took them out, them kind of gone back down, but they rose so beautifully, like, you know, traditional cupcakes. But this is how they're looking. They smell so good. I'm not going to decorate them tonight. I'm going to put them in the fridge overnight so them cool them, settle them, yeah. And then tomorrow morning we decorate these Christmas themed, and that will be our, I will try it, of course. I'm gonna know if it tastes good, and that will be our Christmas treat for this year. It honestly, I may give me a review when I taste it, and if it tastes good then I tell you what I go on. But so far it wasn't hard to make. So yeah, I'm proud of my cheesecake cupcakes. Oh. She's in a girl, no man, error. Yay. Alright, so see you guys in the morning. It's Sunday morning. If you hear that in the back of the pressure cooker, I bought cream cheese, icing, the one that come in the buckle. I just add some green and red food coloring to it. It's not necessarily giving Christmas, it more like Cosmo and Wanda or Elphaba and Glinda. But it's gonna work. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna attempt to decorate the cupcakes. So yeah, I have green and I have red. It look like pink, but I promise it's red. I just never want to put no more in there because it kind of dilute the icing a bit, and I never. Alright, game plan. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do like striped sponge tree. I remember something not a chance. We're gonna do striped sponge tree and then I'm gonna try the Christmas tree. Sponge tree. Them small, you know, like them tiny. We're gonna try. I'm gonna do the stripe them first. So of course it's gonna go easier. At this point, it's more giving wicked than Christmas, but them have a design. My low key, my high key can already tell say I can't go do the Christmas tree. So everything I get strap up, so mommy come taste this and come taste it with me. And make us see.
Some of the people like this are like plastic. Also, this is just ice. That's a decoration.
Yeah. I'll probably try do like the other one off camera, but yeah. Here. Try it. Let me know. This is how it's looking.
Nice.
It is good?
Yeah.
It tastes like cheesecake. It's a cheesecake cupcake. Ray! High five. It's giving what it's supposed to give.
Right.
It's giving. I'm gonna try to decorate the rest of the meal. But only probably not gonna do that. Updates. I tried to do the, but the icing is too soft. So I'm gonna allow that. Yeah. Come here for end this right now, we're gonna edit it. But we'll insert a picture of what they look like. But yeah. Simple, easy recipe. It wasn't hard to make. Try it out for Christmas Day. Let me know how it goes. Yeah, it was a successful year. But you know, everybody will talk about them who wants to bake in and become the things that they're gonna fail. Alright. That's it for this week's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions for what else you want to see, you can let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.